On April 20th, 2025, police responded to a Speedway gas station following reports of an assault in progress.
Hi.
Hi. So, you want to call?
Yes.
Okay, so you need any medical attention?
No,
I
don't.
Alright, can you tell me what happened?
Well, I was walking back there. I told them that they could not go into the back because the back is now closed off.
Okay.
She said you don't have to yell. I wasn't yelling, so I'm going back there to come this way. He follows me back there,
Okay.
and that's whenever I turn around and he's right there yelling, and then he punches me in the chest. Then she goes, "What are you doing?" And I said, "You both need to get out of my store." So then he reaches like this, as if he's going to get a gun or something, and that's whenever she like literally puts herself between he and I, and then his girlfriend pulls him by the arm and says, "No, baby, let's go."
Okay. Alright, so she got in between you guys?
She got in between both of us, yeah.
Did you get hurt at all? Anything happened to you? No? Okay. Alright, so can I just get your name and information for right now?
So we just have to find out the charges right now.
Alright, so did he actually physically touch you?
He punched me in the chest.
In the chest?
In the chest, yes.
Okay. Absolutely, yeah. Take it. Alright, so can you just run me from the beginning of when your coworker was struck in the chest?
Yeah. So as he was walking, he went over here. He seen them going to the back. Automatically knew they were going to the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
All he said was, "You can't go to the bathroom. The bathrooms are closed." They continued to still walk. He said it one more time. She turned around. She's like, "You don't have to yell. You don't have to yell." He's like, "Wasn't yelling."
Who said that?
The woman. She's like, "You don't have to yell."
Okay.
And then Danny, my coworker, he walked back there. He was like, "Wasn't yelling, but okay." And then her boyfriend, the guy, he just came over there and just started screaming, yelling, and this and that. They both started walking and screaming at him at the same time. So that's when I went over there because I ain't gonna leave him there by himself.
Okay.
And
So
then,
you walked over there,
yeah,
and
as
while
I was
he was
walking over there, the man hits him and then walks back because I don't know why.
So where were you when he hit him?
I was probably like right here.
Okay, so this is after or before you intervened?
This was before. He hit him before. And then after he walked away, so then I walked over. And they were standing right here, and I went right here. So he's right here, girlfriend's right here, I'm standing right here, James behind me.
Okay. And so you saw from right here him hit in the corner there?
Yes, right over here.
Alright. Can I just get your license?
Both suspects were quickly located after fleeing the scene and were stopped by police.
A female also riding a black motorcycle with him. Yeah, we have eyes. They are right by Krabby. Any unit near him? 44. Copy, 44.
Get out! Not move! Stop! Stop! Get up! I'm telling you right now, we are gonna rip you off this bike! I'm holding the brake! I'm holding the brake! Listen! Why can't you turn it off? Where? If you do something, bad things are gonna happen. Put it in neutral. I am holding the brake. No! In 5 seconds, we're gonna rip you off. This thing is gonna go flying. No! No! Hold his arm. Do not let that arm hit this gas. Where's the key? 547. We have the bike stopped. You cannot turn the bike off. We're stopped in traffic in front of Krabby. Hold it right here. Stay right there. Hold that in.
If you let go of that, this bike's gonna go flying. You're gonna come ripped off. So do not. I'm not putting the gas down. That's not happening. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna have another person come and hold that. You're getting off this bike.
Yeah, I got it. I don't know what happened, but I got it.
Direct him forward. Direct that lane forward. Get that. Yeah, get that. Let go of it. He has the clutch.
Let go.
No,
it's not. Let go of the clutch. Let go.
let go. We have the clutch.
Let go of the clutch.
Okay, here's the deal. The bike will not turn off. It's in here. He's saying that the only way to turn it off is to rev it. We don't want it to kill something. We hit the right to kill switch. It's not turning off. It's still in here.
Get off the bike. I got a cuff over here.
I don't do nothing.
I got him cuffed. I got him cuffed. Relax. I got him cuffed right here.
I don't do nothing.
Right here.
I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Let's clear this up.
We didn't have anything on her.
I just tried to stop as soon as we pulled
You didn't try to stop. Relax.
You were lane splitting. You were lane splitting.
Hey,
We grabbed you.
just so you know, your girl, she's going to prison with you as well.
Well,
She just crashed.
We picked her up. We got her.
She crashed?
Yeah,
She crashed?
and she's going to prison. So,
But
have fun.
what's the reason?
Adios, amigo.
You don't need
Reckless
to...
driving, fleeing and eluding.
What the... I don't even understand what you're saying, man. We don't do nothing on what you're saying.
I'm sure you did him, man.
As soon as you pull in front of me, I just stop.
Well, we shouldn't.
Yeah, because you had nowhere to go, bro.
We shouldn't have to pull
No,
in front
I
of you
just
to stop.
I cool, but I just do
Listen,
it.
we shouldn't have to pull in front of you for you to stop. If there's red and blue lights, you stop. We shouldn't have to pull in front of you like that and cut you off.
No. He was
That's not how
handling me.
it works.
Wait,
Tell him, man.
do we have fleeing on this
Tell
one?
him. As soon as you pull on me, as soon as you pull on me, I stop.
Driving and whatever down at the Speedway. Just because they did say we have bad charges.
So we do.
At Speedway.
Okay. You can stand up.
One, I'm gonna pick you up. One, two.
I got an accident.
Okay,
I got you.
slow. 1, 2, 3.
I got an accident on my right hand.
Okay.
Right here, you can see it.
Okay. We're good. Which car?
That's unnecessary, man.
Okay.
That you break my helmet, man.
Nobody broke your helmet.
Nah, he break it.
Nobody broke your helmet. I'm gonna do that.
Man, I don't talk to you no any trouble, man.
You have a motorcycle license?
I got a permit for
No.
expired.
Yeah. Should be ready in the first place, bro. Not yet.
No, I just grabbed it right now.
Face the car real quick. Step up.
Face over there, man.
Step up and then widen your stance.
So he's got no motorcycle endorsement,
Bent tag.
the bent tag.
Said he was weaving through traffic.
No, I don't wave it.
That's what dispatch said.
I just
Capone saw him lane split.
Second because
Okay.
I was doing that for me.
So we got that.
How much you had to drink today?
I didn't drink today.
Okay.
I didn't even
Smell
drink.
something coming from your breath.
Not even
check
a
your
drink.
eyes.
Not even a drink, man. We come from Miami to Hudson to move.
So
to
you,
live
so you
on it.
weren't at Miami then?
Huh?
You were
No,
in Miami?
I say Miami area because my family. I was on David.
Oh, yes. No, I'm sure.
Oh.
You want to go outside?
Oh.
I don't drink
You want to
today,
go outside?
man.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even drink today.
So you said your friend's name is Anna Garcia?
Her first name?
Your friend, the girl.
No, my name is Brayley Lewis.
The girl that you were with,
I never see.
Anna Garcia. Do you know how old she is?
Like 20 something. You is right there with like 2 more girls and like 5 guys. They went right there.
You haven't been drinking, right?
I'll be drinking.
Focus on the blue light, okay? Do you see it?
Yeah, like cover.
Actually, just focus on the tip of my... You see it right here?
Yeah, the
Focus.
finger,
Okay.
yeah.
Don't move your head.
Oh, you want to move my eyes?
Just
Ahí
your
my
eyes,
English.
just
You
your
speak
eyes.
Spanish?
Nada más fócase con tu
Ok,
ojos.
sí, en español yo te miro.
En los ojos.
Miro la luz.
Ajá.
Que estaba montando moto el día entero y hago Willy. So, It ain't no make sense. I drink, man. No.
Okay, nada más entrese, okay?
He was charged with resisting an officer without violence, driving with a suspended license, simple battery, and not having a motorcycle endorsement on his license.